Lifestyle changes that are now increasingly developing in the midst of a pandemic have created many ways for humans to be able to move. Health and hygiene factors are always a top priority in every variety of activities to avoid exposure to the COVID-19 virus. Almost all community mobility is currently implementing health protocols such as using masks in public space, washing hands with hand sanitizer before using public facilities to limiting distance in public transportation. Slowly but surely, people are starting to be able to adapt to these drastic changes. People also now have a new lifestyle in the midst of a pandemic. Now, the standard of cleanliness is a practical thing that must be available before we choose a restaurant to eat. Using personal tableware has now become a common habit in the midst of a pandemic situation. In addition to ensuring cleanliness, the risk of exposure can also be avoided by this new habit. Even though the pandemic situation is still ongoing, many people still have to work outside. Accessing public facilities such as public transportation is a daily activity that must be taken. The habit of carrying sanitation products such as hand sanitizer and instant disinfectant must be preferred as a complement to activities. The dominance of activities in the midst of a pandemic has forced people to stay at home more. However, that does not mean productivity must be sacrificed. The house can now be created to be more dynamic. You can add accents to wallpaper decoration or install minimalist shelves to create a new atmosphere. Health is practically a human priority in the midst of a pandemic. For this reason, physical fitness should not become weak even though activities are limited. In order for the body to stay in shape, don't forget to always prepare time for exercise. It doesn't take long, just 15 to 20 minutes with just exercise intensity. Exercising in the sun is also a positive activity while getting vitamin D intake. Thank you.